Guys and gals, Jim back here. Now that I got most of the man in space set complete other than the shuttle, and I need to put it on the base, I'm trying to clean house and get some of my other projects that I had started finished up and all. So I've been working on these. I had these built, but I decided to pull them out today, and I was going to do a diorama. I've got 3 of them. These are the little tiny AT-M6s, and I believe they're roughly about 550th scale, so it gives you an idea and stuff. And put my hand by one, you can kind of see next to my hand the size of them. Pretty much all I did after I assembled them, I just took and picked out a few panels, some different shades of grays, and then I gave them a wash with just some real thinned out black acrylic. The 50-cent Walmart black acrylic, the apple barrel, and kind of highlighted all the panel lines and stuff in the bodies. The legs, I did the same thing, just gave them the same wash and everything, and then I dull coated them. Picked out the little red windows there in the head. You know, these are pretty, like I said, these are pretty tiny. The legs move, but they don't articulate at the joints in the knees or nothing like that. So you know, you're pretty much limited to the poses and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a little diorama, like the Battle of Crate type scene, something small with these. I picked 3 of them. You know, it'll look a little better. You can pick up the different shades of grays and stuff, and the washes and stuff. So and I had this guy gonna do a little diorama of him coming out of the woods and stuff, and pretty much this is a little 1/44th ATST, and I just gave him a wash with some black, nothing heavy. These are small, so if you go too overboard with the washes and weathering and stuff, it's gonna really be overkill on something this tiny. So, but you can see again, there's my index finger next to him. Don't mind the primer. I've been priming some other stuff today, so haven't had the chance to clean up till I'm finished. But that's that little ATST. I'm going to do a diorama, and it did come with the small 1/44th snow speeder, which is real small, so I'll probably do something with that on the diorama too. As far as these AT-M6s, I was going to do I did one of the little 350 at Millennium Falcons with lighting and all that, and I was going to use it on the diorama, but you know, I'm not trying to get spot on and accurate and stuff to this scene, but the Millennium Falcon that I lit was the wrong one for that particular movie and stuff, so I'm just going to go with a non-lit one in that, and I got that to start assembling. Nothing fancy. I'm probably going to paint everything instead of using the stickers. I already got the engine painted. I painted it a light blue, and then I scraped with my hobby knife. I went over the raised surface, like the framework, and scraped it all off. And that you probably won't pick it up seeing it's so tiny, but I scraped all the paint off the raised details, so that way it looks like, you know, the bigger model and stuff. So that's got to get finished, and I'll probably do it, like, you know, even though this is 350th and the AT-M6s are 550th, I'll probably do like a perspective, you know, with them in the background on the ground and the Millennium Falcon kind of just swooping down and stuff. I got a few of these Millennium Falcons, because there's different versions from different movies and stuff. So as far as I know, there's 3 different versions. So that's that, and pretty much what I got going on. You know, nothing big time, literally, and all that, but I just wanted to get some of this stuff that I got sitting around that I started a while back, several months ago, and it's been laying around and everything. I figured, well, I'm going to get some stuff completed, that way I can do some videos and then start concentrating on some new builds and stuff like that. So till the next time, hey, you guys all have a good one. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all the new subscribers I've been picking up the last week or so. And thanks for all the nice comments. Thanks for all hitting the like button. And like I said at the end of every video, in the description box, I leave my email in case anybody wants to contact me. They do carry these AT-M6s at Hobby Lobby now, so if you're looking for them, the only thing, you know, if you're going to buy something like that, they're usually around $5-6. and shipping you're probably close to 10. So you get them at Hobby Lobby. I think they only come one in a box. You get them at Hobby Lobby, I think they're like $9 a piece or $10 a piece. So, you know, it kind of balances out. If you're gonna buy them, you pay shipping. If you're gonna buy them in the store, you can use your 20% off or your 40% off at Hobby Lobby too. You know, depending how many you want. You just gotta wait. You know, you pick up one kit once a week. But they're starting to carry some of these smaller box kits at Hobby Lobby. I think they got the A-Wings, if I'm not mistaken. That's two ship sets. They got the little Star Destroyer with the tiny Death Star, I know, and I think they've got the Millennium Falcon with the Pose X-Wing and all that. So they're starting to get a lot more of them kits. So anyway, hey, thanks for all the support and all the views I got on my Apollo 11 tribute build. I had a lot of fun building those. Doing that little video deal with the tribute, and I had a lot of fun building that man in space set. Like I said, it's not a bad kit. If you're looking for something really super highly detailed, it's not going to give it to you, but it gives you the overall impression and the overall look of the size comparison before the very first man's space rocket and up to the Saturn V. And like I said, I'm doing a 200 scale space shuttle with the external tank and the booster rocket, so that'll look pretty good along with it. So till the next time, you know, I don't know how many videos I'm gonna do on this. I'm probably just, you know, I'm just showing you what I got going on, so that way nobody gets tired of waiting for another video. But you know, maybe once a week or so I'll pop up a video, let you guys know where I'm at and stuff. And once I start building something new, I don't think I'm gonna do any build videos. I got a couple other videos, just general information type videos on different aspects of the hobby coming up and that. So but that's what I got going on, and we'll see you soon. Till the next time, everybody take care, happy modeling, and we'll see you. Bye.